Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. Now today we're going to learn how to use one of these awesome gadgets, an SP pen and SP pad. Let's get on with it.
The benefit of having to own one of these digital gadgets is that no matter how much mistakes we have made, we can always undo. Now, first thing first, always map out the artwork and not to forget the key target feature is always try to make it look as natural as possible like in today's video. But for all the newbies out there, fear not. Practice makes perfect, right? Now, since we are working on Mother Nature today, always select the closest in what we see in colors. And personally, for trees, I will start off using seaweed green as my primary shade. So, by increasing or decreasing the density of the color, makes the blending so much easier. And what you need to do now is to identify the area where the light source is coming from. Always remember, anything which the light touches, naturally it becomes brighter. And that is the basics how we manipulate 3D visuals. Once you're done, the final steps are always the trickiest but yet fun, the details. So now, zoom out, check for flaws and adjustments, but to be honest guys, creative work can take up to tens or even perhaps hundreds of working hours to complete. But if we learn the steps carefully and accordingly, satisfaction is always guaranteed. Thanks for watching, follow for more.